everyone, welcome back. So today, I guess a follow-up to my TRX ordering video. We're going to be talking about the star of my channel, which is my 2017 4th gen Ram Rebel. So obviously with the, well, I guess it's not so obvious, but with the arrival of the new truck, hopefully sometime in the next few months, we have to decide what we're going to be doing with the Rebel. So what I think makes most financial sense is we're going to be trading in the Rebel. It's been a great 3 years, been a great truck, it's been a super fun project, but I think it's time to step up into the Rebel and go full force with that. TRX was always my inspiration for my build, so now that the actual TRX is coming out, I was lucky enough to secure an allocation for a TRX. It's just time to go ahead and get rid of the Rebel. So since I'll actually be trading in the Rebel, what I've learned with trade-ins is they typically prefer the vehicle to be as stock as possible. So obviously I'm gonna have to do a lot of reverting back to stock with this truck. I'm gonna have to go ahead and change out the bumpers in the front and the rear. You know, the wheels and tires are aftermarket, the whole suspension is aftermarket. We got the Carven exhaust back here, we got the core 4x4 lower control arms, not only that, and then we got the Carbontastic steering wheel on the inside, a few other engine based stuff. But like I said, I want to go ahead, convert this back to stock, so my loss might be a lot of your guys' gains. I'm actually going to be selling a lot of the parts off of this truck. So let's start at the front. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a little rundown on everything if you're not too familiar with my build, or if you are and you wanted to go ahead and get some of these discontinued parts that I was lucky enough to get my hands on. This is your opportunity, guys. So like I was just saying, right off the bat, we got the what is this, the ICI Baja series front bumper. This is like a PreRunner style front bumper. It's not really like the ADD one. This one is basically flush with the actual body line right here, where the ADD one actually comes up a lot higher. This is a lower one, and I feel like it's a more slim mounting bumper. This bumper was, I believe, $1,700 before shipping was MSRP on this bumper. I actually got it at a I believe it was like a 40% off discount before shipping, so I paid around just about $1,000 for it. This bumper isn't available anymore, so I'm gonna try and get $1,000 for it. If any of you guys are local and you want to go ahead and get a PreRunner style bumper for your Ram 1500, this is another thing. This bumper isn't just for the Rebel. This is actually a 1500 4th gen front bumper that just so happens to fit the Rebel. So if, regardless of what trim you got, this bumper will fit. And honestly, it's in perfect condition. There's no rust anywhere, there's no bangs on it, no scratches, nothing. Perfect condition, no rust, it's good to go. So $1,000 for the front bumper. Now we walk towards the rear. We got the matching ICI Baja rear bumper. So again, this one, I've only had this for a few months and it's in perfect condition as well. ICI discontinued their Baja series lineup, so you're not going to be able to find this bumper or the front bumper anymore. You can't buy them new, you're going to have to find them used. This one doesn't have the holes drilled out for the parking sensors, but I have gone ahead and actually made the punch holes for where you would need to drill to put those sensors. If you want me to drill out those holes, I can do it for you. I prefer not to, but I will. Again, this is in perfect shape. I believe this is a $900 bumper. I'm going to be selling it for $500. So for $500 for the rear, $1,000 for the front, $1,500 will get you the rear and the front. Completely convert the look of your truck, completely give it that PreRunner style for basically what you would pay for just for the front bumper if you were to buy this new. So take advantage of this, guys. You're looking for a PreRunner in Florida, come on, get on it. All right, next thing up on the list, we got the Carven Progressive muffler right there. Absolute favorite mod I've done to this truck. I gotta be honest with you, the truck sounds absolutely mental with that exhaust on there, especially when I went ahead and removed the rear resonators and gave it that axle dump. It sounds great. Check out the videos that I've posted previously. You'll definitely hear it for yourself. I believe those mufflers are, I don't know, how much are they? I think they're $299. I'll do 150 bucks for that muffler. If any of you guys want it, you know, shoot me a message. We can get it shipped out to you, no problem. 150 bucks. If you're local to Florida, you know, hit me up as well. I can meet up with you guys and drop that off. But yeah, you can see back here, I've gone ahead and gone with an axle dump setup, so no tips back here. You know, keeping it all kind of pre-runner style. I didn't really want the tips. All right, so next up, let's go ahead and jump up in here, and you can see, I gotta be honest, it's probably a toss-up between this and the exhaust for my favorite mods. This is the Carbontastic custom carbon fiber steering wheel. I have not seen another one of these in a Ram 1500 or a Rebel. So here's your opportunity to get one at a discounted rate. These are not cheap. This is all carbon, front, rear, all red stitched, perforated leather. You know, you got the 12 o'clock stripe up front, wet carbon. It looks absolutely fucking awesome. I get so many compliments on this thing, so many comments from you guys loving this thing. So yeah, this is a $1,000 steering wheel. I'm gonna be selling it 700 bucks. So jump on this, guys, if you're looking to switch out your steering wheel. I know it's not cheap. I didn't get any of these parts for free, nothing sponsored, everything was out of my pocket. So this has only been used for a few months and it's still in absolutely perfect shape. I cover this wheel whenever I get out of my truck. I have the sock for it. Obviously if you guys buy it, I'll give that to you too. But Carbontastic carbon steering wheel, 700 bucks. It's yours. And if you want, I can give you a trade. If you want to send me your little bezel piece here, I'll give you this hydro dipped one so it matches the steering wheel. The carbon matches up perfectly. So again, 700 bucks, Carbontastic steering wheel. Okay, so next up down here, we got the Core 4x4 Tier 2 rear lower control arms. I've been using these for about a year. No problem whatsoever. Completely eliminated my wheel hop on my truck. Very solid control arms, much beefier and stronger than the stock ones. I believe these are around $260, $275. So actually what I'm gonna do with these, now if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Just by doing that, you're gonna get my subscriber count up. And as soon as I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick someone at random and I'm gonna give you those lower control arms. Now, you're probably thinking, what the fuck, if I don't own a Ram 1500, what is that gonna do for me? If you don't, I'll send you $150. How about that? So go ahead, hit that like button, which is like right down here, and then that subscribe button that's right next to it, and you can get those lower control arms for free. I don't even remember what HID kit this is. If you watch one of my, oh, it's Diodynamic 6K HIDs installed in the headlights. I don't feel like removing those, so I'm just gonna leave those in the truck. Obviously we got the little grill marker lights up here. I'm probably gonna leave those as well. We got the little LED bumper in the back. I'll probably leave that unless you want to buy my front bumper, and I'll give you the little cube lights and I'll give you that light as well. But as far as everything underneath here, I have a K&N drop-in filter, so obviously you don't really want to buy that from me. Yeah, oil catch can right there. I've been using this for, I'd say, close to 3 months now. It's basically in perfect condition. If any of you guys want that, 100 bucks, I'll send that to you. And then also right here, that I guess I'm not even really going to bother installing right now, is we got a orange silicone radiator kit, so you can kind of see I don't know how it goes. Maybe I think it goes like this actually. So you know, you can just see a little bit of a dress up right there for your engine bay. Replace the black one with this orange one if you're going for orange accents. This brand new, never installed. It was 100 bucks. I'll send it out to one of you for 70 bucks. So $70 ship for that brand new silicone radiator hose. So yeah, I really wanted to do some more stuff in here, but with the TRX coming, might as well just concentrate on modding that thing when it gets here. Now for the big ticket items. I have my Method race wheels, NV605s. These are a 20x10 wheel. Obviously there's 4 of them. It's the matte black finish with the silver bolts. These wheels are legit in perfect shape, perfect condition. No scratches, no, anything, nothing at all. Great shape, no bends. I believe these wheels are around like 1,200 bucks new. And these are the Pro Comp MT2 Extremes. They are a 35 by 12.5, so a true 35. These actually do measure 35 inch, not like other 35s that are really like a 34 or a high 33. These are real 35s. These have about, I want to say 15 to 20,000 miles on them. So they do have a little bit of tread left in the front, and you can check out the rear back here. So they're getting there, but there's definitely some life left. If I were to sell these, since I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do yet, I would probably sell the wheels and the tires together. I'm not going to take them off, and I'd ask probably around, let's say around 1,200 bucks for the wheels and tires. And I'll throw in the lug nuts as well, and with that I'll also throw in the TPMS sensors. So TPMS sensors, about $250. These are the official spike lug bolts. Those are about another 200 bucks. Wheels, 1,200 bucks. Tires, $1,800 all 4. You can do all that math and you can realize, 1,200 bucks, pretty good deal for that. But that is totally dependent on what I'm about to explain to you guys right now. You more than likely know my truck is equipped with the 4-inch BDS lift kit. Now, this kit is an absolute nightmare when it comes to installation. Now, I don't feel like spending how much, like an additional $2,000 to basically get this kit taken off and my stock one put back on. It doesn't really make financial sense. But I also can't take off my aftermarket wheels and tires and throw on my stock wheels and tires with the lift kit unless I put spacers on it. So, and now, this might sound kind of crazy, but if any of you guys are local, you have a Ram Rebel or another 4th gen air ride equipped truck, and you feel like spending $2,000 on installation to take this lift kit off, put it installed on your truck, and then put your suspension on my truck, you can have the lift kit for free. Just pay for installation. Now, my only stipulation with that is that it is done professionally at a legit shop. This is not going to get done in my driveway, in your driveway. It's going to get done at a shop. So if any of you guys are interested in that, you're located in Florida, you want to drive to me, and you want to pay for professional installation off of my truck and onto your truck, let's do it. This is a pretty solid deal for anyone out there who's looking to get this lift kit installed on your truck. Get the lift kit completely for free. And this isn't just the standard lift kit. This has the upgraded Fox shocks as well. So I would need your stock rear struts, and you can have everything else. So pretty solid deal if you ask me. And shit, if you do that, I'll sell you the wheels and tires for $1,000 as well. So yeah, that's more or less all the big ticket items on my truck. Got the lift kit, so lift kit will be given to you for free if you want to pay for installation. Whole wheel and tire setup, $1,200. Front bumper, $1,000. I'll give you the lights as well if you want that. They're not really worth anything. Rear bumper, $500. Also the ICI bumper. Then we got the Carbontastic carbon steering wheel, $700 for that. Got the oil catch can, $100 if someone wants that. And then, like I mentioned earlier, brand new silicone radiator hit kit. You know, this is just like some engine dress up stuff, but definitely heavy duty, kind of like a Samco hose, and it's orange, so it matches the rear control arms. So there it is, guys. Those are all the aftermarket parts that I have on my truck, and all those parts are going to be for sale. So if any of you guys are interested, you know, comment in the comment section, send me a DM, message me on Instagram. My Instagram is at the end page of this video, so you can hit me up on there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have another TRX update for you guys pretty soon. I just got word from the dealership, so I'm gonna be sharing that with you in the next video. And again, any parts, hit me up. I'm your go-to guy. Thanks again for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.